Hello and welcome to a new video. We're going to unbox the 8-bit mechanical keyboard. I wanted the keyboard for a while now, so I choose this one because it's the NES retro style. And I really love the look of the board. You also get some buttons and some stickers, which I ain't gonna use. But it's a really nice keyboard. It sounded really nice. So that's why I got it. The sticker says some things you can press on the buttons, but I don't care because the buttons do clean enough on itself. That's how they sound. They sound great. This is the keyboard. They packaged it very well. I also dropped the box when I got it. So, and it didn't, yeah, it left a dent in the box, of course. But the keyboard or nothing did get shaken up. So, and the peel off was also very satisfying to do. And we also, here we have the Bluetooth and the connections. You can also connect it with a cable, the volume button, the connect button for the buttons, another button, the A and B button, which you can set a specific combination to if you want to. You can put up to 4 different blocks of buttons. So you can have 8 buttons in total on your thing. Okay, so after using a week of the 8-bit keyboard, this is my final thought. I really thought it was a nice keyboard. Or yeah, I think it's a nice keyboard. I'm still going to use it. I think the buttons are fun. I think it types really nice. I've never had a keyboard before. I always used my laptop, but now it's very handy. The only thing I kind of don't like is it's a little bit raised. It's not like flat like I'm used to. So that's when I press something, my hand would get on the keyboard and press something else, and most of the time it would be the B or E button or A or B button, and then it would take, yeah, it would select everything on my left or right and will delete everything. And I will type in the other thing, but a few control Z's and it will be fine. But that's a quite kind of annoying thing for me, and I can't even raise it up more, which I think they should raise it down less. But except for those things, I think it's nice. Input is very good. I like the turning knobs; they work really well. I like the color of it. I've got some. Hi, this is Mango, by the way. But product rating, I would rate it a 9 out of 10. It's a little bit pricey. Yeah, because the only thing I didn't like is the height. And it doesn't matter too much for me. It's just getting used to it. But when I'm used to it, it will just be fine. I know that for sure.